How would you like to have dinner or just plain coffee in the midst of nature? Well, the Foresta Café and Restaurant in Bangkok, Thailand is one that makes it possible. The exterior garden has the ambience of being surrounded by nature. There are trees, plenty of plants, water cascading down from rocks that produces hypnotic sounds, and running down a long and winding fish pond that snakes through half of the building exterior, teeming with fish, some big ones like the mammoth catfish and other varieties of aquatic life. The menu is written in Thai with no English translation. A foreign guest would be lucky enough if the waiter that serves speaks the English language. My Thai friend told me Foresta seemingly doesn't care much about it, but everyone is welcome to come and dine in. Guests have a choice, either in the garden area where they can enjoy hot steaming coffee with a slice of sweet cake, or inside the enclosed restaurant with a see-through glass panel and have their sumptuous lunch or dinner while enjoying the view of the forested area. Foresta Cafe is a little bit pricey, but the ambience of a fantastic garden is what I assume one pays for. Foresta Cafe and Restaurant is near Don Muang Airport. I would suggest you try this one.